And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you else if statements. And this can be used to add multiple conditions. So with an if and an else statement, we only have one condition for the if, right here, number bigger than 9. Let's change that to number bigger than 0. And then we want to add number is positive, and else number should be negative. So the condition number bigger than 0, if it's true, we'll get positive. If it's false, we'll get negative. So for 3, number is positive. For -3, number is negative. What if the number is 0? We can't really cover that, and we still get number is negative, because the if condition number bigger than 0 is false, but it's not a true statement. So it's true when it comes to our code, but it's not true when it comes to math. And therefore we can add another condition using else if. So else if, regular brackets for the condition and curly brackets then for the code. And here I'll make it a number equals 0. Then document.write, and number is 0. We have one more problem though. This is not going to run because our condition number equals 0 has to use at least 2 equal signs. Because when you just say number equals 0, this is kind of like a declaration for the variable like we did in the first script line, let number equal 0. Therefore we have to write number equal or number equal 0. And then the code should run. So let me change that here. And there you go. Number is 0 now. And this is a general principle. So you can use else if time and time again, add as many conditions as you need. Let me change this a little bit. We'll make the condition for our if number is bigger than 0, then the else if number smaller than 0, and else in this code would be the case when the number is 0. So let me run it again with 5, number is positive, because our if condition is true, therefore this code line is executed. I'll make this -5, our number is negative, first condition for if is false, second condition for else if is true. Therefore we'll get this code line, and if number is 0, we'll get number is 0. Because the if condition is false, the else if condition is false, and therefore the default case else is true, and this code line here is executed. And this is how you can use else if statements in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.